which is 425. The cost of holding, or sorry, the holding cost is 425, and the ordering cost is also 425. And so you realize that the cost of ordering is now equal to the cost of holding. And so it is 425 equal to 425. And that is why I stated earlier that the economic order quantity is the quantity at where the ordering cost and the holding cost are equal or the same. And so for this example, we found out that the economic order quantity, we are doing economic order quantity. Hello, wherever you are watching me, today we are doing accounting for materials and we are looking exactly at economic order quantity. Now, economic order quantity is the quantity that minimizes the annual ordering costs and holding costs. What this economic order quantity means is that an organization wants to look at how many quantities of a material should be ordered and held that will minimize the costs that is associated with the ordering and holding the inventory. Okay, for you to look at this question down here. Okay, so the question says that a company uses 14,450 units of material X each year, which costs $2 for each unit. The cost of placing an order is $125 for each order. And the cost of holding inventory each year is 10% of purchase cost. What is the order quantity for material that will minimize the annual annual cost? So the quantity that will minimize annual cost is the economic order quantity. So we first of all start by looking at our economic order quantity formula, which is 2 times the cost of ordering times the annual demand divided by the holding cost. Okay, so let's look at the variables in the question. Now, the cost of ordering has been given as, okay, so the cost of ordering has been given as uh, the cost of placing an order is 125 US dollars. The holding cost, the holding cost, the holding cost is 10% of the purchase cost. So 10% times the purchase cost, which is $2. Okay, so that one is going to give us, that one will give us 0.02, 0.2, sorry. Okay, 0.2. Then we look at the annual demand. The annual demand in the question has been given as 14450. Okay, so we can substitute this into the formula and calculate the economic order quantity. So this implies that the quantity, economic order quantity is going to be 2 times 125 times 14450 divided by 0.2. Okay, so the economic order quantity, sorry, the economic order quantity 4250 units. Okay, so that is the economic order quantity. Let's look at the holding cost per annum. So, uh, so the holding cost should be equal to the economic order quantity divided by 2 times the cost of holding. We know that the economic order quantity is 4250 units multiplied by 0.2 divided by 2. So that should give us, so we have 4250 times 0.2 divided by 2, giving us $425. Okay, then let's look at the ordering cost. So the ordering cost will give us the cost of ordering multiplied by the annual demand divided by the economic order quantity. Okay, so the cost of ordering is 125 multiplied by the annual demand, which is 14,450 divided by the economic order quantity, which is 4250. So let's look at this. 125 times 14450, okay, divided by 4250. And that one is also going to give us 425. Now, when you look at the cost of ordering here, which is 425, the cost of holding, or sorry, the holding cost is 425, and the ordering cost is also 425. And so you realize that the cost of ordering is now equal to the cost of holding. And so it is 425 equal to 425. And that is why I stated earlier that the economic order quantity is the quantity at where the ordering cost and the holding cost are equal or the same. And so for this example, we found out that the economic order quantity is 404,250 units, and the associated holding costs and the ordering costs are 425 US dollars. Thank you for watching.